Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss chapter 43 medical specialists. Doctors who specialize in the treatment of particular disease has a special name by which he or she is known. A doctor who specializes in the treatment of a particular disease has a special name by which he or she is known. Okay, so you can see here on this whiteboard some special name: cardiologist, orthopedist, neurologist, ophthalmologist, gynecologist, nephrologist, pathologist, and oncologist. Okay, now so we explain it one by one. First is cardiologist. What is the work? What is the special in cardiologist? Are doctors who specialize in the treatment of heart disease. Are doctors who specialize in the treatment of heart disease is called a cardiologist. This is clear. Are doctors who specialize in the treatment of heart disease is called a cardiologist. Clear now. The second is orthopedist. Orthopedist. So, are doctors who specialize in the correction of skeletons and spinal deformities. Are doctors who specialize in the correction of skeleton and spinal deformities. It's called, what is this called? This is called orthopedist. Okay. Next is neurologist. What is the work of neurologist? What is special in such type doctors? Which type of treatment they do? Okay. Are doctors who specialize in the treatment of disease of the nerves. Are doctors who specialize in the treatment of the disease of the nerve is called neurologist. Okay. Now the next medical specialist is fourth, ophthalmologist. In this special names, ophthalmologist is in such type doctors who specialize in the treatment of eye disease. Are doctors who specialize in the treatment of eye disease is called ophthalmologist. Okay. Now the fifth is gynecologist. Such type of special medical specialist is special in the treatment of women's disease. Are doctors who specialize in the treatment of women's disease. This is called gynecologist. Clear? Now the next question is nephrologist. Nephrologist. Sixth medical specialist is nephrologist. Are doctors who specialize in the treatment of kidney disease. Which disease? Name of disease is kidney disease. A doctor who specialize in the treatment of kidney disease is called, what is this called? This is called the nephrologist. Nephrologist related to kidney disease. Okay. Cardiologist related to heart disease. Okay. Now the next is pathologist. Okay. So pathologist is related to the symptoms, disease and their symptoms. Are doctors who specialize in the science of disease and their symptoms is called pathologist. A doctor who specializes in the science of disease and their symptoms is called pathologist. This is clear. Next is oncologist. Oncologist. A doctor who specializes in the treatment of cancer is called oncologist. Clear? A doctor who specializes in the treatment of cancer is called oncologist. So student, I hope all of you understood the meaning of oncologist, neurologist, cardiologist, pathologist and nephrologist. In the case of cardiologist, doctors treatment of heart disease, and a pathologist that related to the science, especially in the science of the disease and their treatment. This is clear now. Student, did you know how there are how many types of blood group? Obviously, no. There are 4 blood groups: A, B, O, and AB. There are 4 blood group: A, B, and AB, O, and AB. This type: A, B, O, and AB. This is the 4 types of blood groups. Clear? This is AB. Clear? Now, this is 4 types of blood groups. Some people denote their blood. Okay, so people with blood group A can denote their blood group A to AB. If a people have blood group A, it denotes their blood groups A and B both. Okay, this is clear. People with blood group B, such type people also denote their blood B, group B and group AB. Okay, people with blood group B can denote their blood group to be or AB, and people with blood group O, such type people denote their blood to all the 4 groups. People blood group O, they denote all types. O again, O also, B, A, and AB. In the AB. So you can say people with the blood groups O can denote their blood to all the 4 groups. How many groups of blood group? 4. A, B, AB, and you can say O. The people with blood group AB can denote their blood only to AB. AB denote their blood only AB, and O, people with blood group O can denote their blood group to all the 4 groups. This is clear. So student, I hope all of you understood the name of the medical specialist and the blood groups. How many types of blood group? Obviously you can say 4 types. Their name is A, B, O, and AB. People with blood group A can denote their blood group to A or AB. People with blood group B can denote their blood to B or AB, and people with blood group AB can denote their blood only to AB. But the people with blood group O can denote their blood to all the 4 groups. So I hope all of you understood blood groups and their denotes. Okay, and now we are going to discuss next chapters. Okay, and what is the next chapter? Let's see. Next chapter is Indian scientist, famous Indian in science. Okay. Next chapter is famous Indian in science. So let's see what is in these chapters. Now, our next chapter is 45, famous Indians in science. Okay. So Indian scientists and innovators have brought fame to the nation worldwide. Do you know their names? You can see here, he writes some names. Chitranjan Singh Ranawat, this is an Indian scientist. Deepak Chopra, Ashutosh Kumar Tiwari, Subhas Kak, Shiva, V.S. Shiva Durai, Manilal Bhaum, Narendra Singh Kapania, Sabir Bhatia, Vinod Dam, Amit Goyals. A lot of the Indian scientists and innovators have brought fame to the nation worldwide. So here, this is the first name is Chitranjan Singh Ranawat. Some information about Chitranjan Singh Ranawat is there. Chitranjan Singh Ranawat is an orthopedic surgeon. He is Padma Bhushan awardee. He operated on former Indian Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee niece, who operated on former Indian Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee knee. So your answer is, what is your answer? Obviously, your answer is Chitranjan Singh Ranawat. Chitranjan Singh Ranawat is a surgeon, and many times he got Padma Bhushan. Okay. Now, our next scientist is Deepak Chopra. Some information about Deepak Chopra is that Deepak Chopra is an Indian American physician. Deepak Chopra is an Indian American physician. He has taught at the medical schools of Tufts University, Boston University, and Harvard University. But later he turned towards the Ayurveda. Deepak Chopra is an Indian American physician. Deepak Chopra is an Indian American physician. He taught the medical schools of Tufts University, Boston University, and Harvard University. But later he turned towards the Ayurveda. This is clear? So this is a Deepak Chopra. He is the Indian American physician, and he taught many universities, but some important university is that important medical university is Tufts University, Boston University, and Harvard University. After some times, he turned towards the Ayurveda. Next, scientist innovators is Ashutosh Kumar Tiwari. You can see here. This is next is Ashutosh Kumar Tiwari. Ashutosh Kumar Tiwari is a board certified urologist. Ashutosh Kumar Tiwari is a board certified urologist, oncologist, and principal investigators at the Cornell Medical College of Cornell University in New York City. He is one of the world leading urological surgeons. Especially you can say The Ashutosh Kumar Tiwari is the world famous surgeon. Ashutosh Kumar Tiwari is a board certified urologist, oncologist, and principal investigator at Weill Cornell Medical College of Cornell University in New York. Okay, New York City. And Ashutosh Kumar Tiwari is one of the world leading urological surgeons. Okay, so this is the information about the Ashutosh Kumar Tiwari. In short, you can say he is the board certified urologist, oncologist, and the principal investigators at Weill Cornell Medical College of Cornell University in New York City. He is one of world leading urological surgeons. Okay, this is clear. Now, the next scientist is Subhash Kok. Subhash Kok is the computer scientist. It means that you can say Subhash Kok is related to the computer science, CS. Okay, he has made contribution to copyright. Okay, neural networks and quantum informations. He is okay. Subhash Kok is the computer scientist. He has made contribution to neural networks and quantum informations. This is clear. Now, next scientist is Shiva Yaduri. This is next Shiva Yaduri. V.A. Shiva Yaduri. Okay, Shiva Yaduri is an Indian American scientist, inventor, and entrepreneur. Shiva Yaduri is an Indian American scientist, inventor, and entrepreneur. He teaches systems visualization at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology. He teaches system visualization. Okay, so this is a small information about the Shiva Yaduri. He is an Indian American scientist, inventor, and entrepreneur. He teaches system visualization at Massachusetts Institute of Technology. Our next scientist innovators is Manilal Bhaumik. So let's see some small information about Manilal Bhaumik. Manilal Bhaumik is an Indian-born American physician and best-selling author. Manilal Bhaumik is an Indian-born American physicist and a best-selling author. He was the first student to receive PhD degree from the Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, in quantum physics in 1958. So, one question arises here: who is the first student that received the PhD degree from the Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, in quantum physics? So, your answer is Manilal Bhaumik. Another question arises here: when Manilal Bhaumik received the PhD degree from Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur? So, what is your answer? Obviously, you can say your answer is 1958. In 1958, Manilal Bhaumik received the degree, PhD degree in quantum physics from Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur. This is clear? Manilal Bhaumik related to 1958. He received the PhD degree from the Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur in quantum physics in 1958. This is clear now. So this is a little information about the Manilal Bhaumik. You can say Manilal Bhaumik is Indian born American. Manilal Bhaumik is an Indian born American physicist and a best-selling author. He was the first he was the first student to receive PhD degree from the Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur in quantum physics in 1958. Now, our next scientist is Narendra Singh Kapadia. Okay, so here some information about Narendra Singh Kapadia. Narendra Singh is Indian born American physicist known for his works in fiber optics. You can say Narendra Singh related to the fiber optics. He is an Indian born American physicist known as his works in fiber optics. He was named as one of the 7 unsung heroes by Fortune magazine. Now, the next scientist is Sabir Bhatia. So some little important information about Samir Bhatia. Samir Bhatia is an Indo-American entrepreneur who founded the Hotmail email service. Hotmail is the world's second largest email. We are talking about the Sabir Bhatia. Sabir Bhatia is an Indo-American entrepreneur who founded the Hotmail email service. Who founded the Hotmail email service? Your answer is Sabir Bhatia. Sabir Bhatia, you can see this is Sabir Bhatia. Sabir Bhatia is the founder of Hotmail email service. Hotmail is the world's second largest email provider with over 369 millions. 300, how many millions? 369 million. Okay, 369 millions. This is clear. And now, after this, 369 million registered users to be expected on daily by Google Gmail service. Okay, so this is information about the Samir Bhatia. Samir Bhatia is an Indo-American entrepreneur who founded the Hotmail email service. Hotmail is the worldwide second largest email providers with over 369 million users registered, a figure expected by only by Google Gmail service. Okay, now next Indian scientist is Vinod Dem. Hotmail started by the Sabir Bhatia was acquired by Microsoft in 1998. Hotmail started by who? Who started Hotmail? Your answer is Sabir Bhatia was started it and acquired by Microsoft in 1998. This is clear. Now our next scientist innovator is Vinod Dam. Vinod is an inventor, entrepreneur, and ventures capitalist. He is popularly known as the father of the Pentium chip. Pentium chip. Father of the Pentium chip is Vinod Dham. Father of the Pentium chip is Vinod Dham. This is clear. Vinod Dham is an inventor, entrepreneur, and venture capitalist. He is popularly known as the father of the venture chips. This is clear. Now our next scientist is Amit Goyal. Amit Goyal is our next scientist. He is an distinguished Amit Goyal is a distinguished scientist at Arkwright National Laboratories in Tennessee, USA. He has 80 issued patents. He also has over 315 publications of publication to his credit. Okay, so this is chapter number 45, and Indian science, famous Indian in science. This is clear. So first name is Chitranjan Singh Ranawat. He is the surgeon, famous surgeon. He operated the farmers PM at the Bajpayee. Okay, this is clear now. And second is Deepak Chopra. Deepak Chopra is also Indian American physician. Deepak Chopra is an Indian American physician. He taught at the medical schools of Tufts University, Boston University, Harvard University, but later he turned towards the Ayurveda. Deepak Chopra is an Indian American physician. He has started the medical schools of Tufts University, Boston University, Harvard University, and after some time, you can say later, he turned towards the Ayurveda. Now, the third scientist is Ashutosh Kumar Tiwari. Ashutosh Kumar Tiwari is a board certified. Ashutosh Kumar Tiwari is a board certified urologist, oncologist, principal investigator at Weill Cornell Medical College of Cornell University in New York City. Ashutosh Kumar Tiwari is one of the world leading urological surgeon. Ashutosh Kumar Tiwari is a world leading urological surgeon. This is clear. Now, the next our scientist is the Subhash Kar. So I already explained about Subhash Kar, but here some important information about the Subhash Kar. Subhash Kar is computer scientist. He has made contribution to cryptography. Subhash Kar has made contribution to cryptography, neural networks, and quantum information. This is the contributions of Subhash Kar. Subhash Kar is a computer scientist, and his contribution to made cryptography, neural networks, and quantum informations. Now, the next scientist is Manilal Bhaumik. Manilal Bhaumik is an Indian-born American physicist and a best-seller author. He was the first student to receive PhD degree from the Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur in quantum physics in 1958. Okay, so this is some information about our scientist. Okay, so student, a question arises here: who is who is father of the Pentium chip? Who is the father of Pentium chips? You can say Vinod Dham. So I hope all of you understood. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.